Struggling to find where to add a custom tax rate in Xero? I will show you exactly how in under 5 minutes. You know the drill. You log in, you go to set up an invoice, and none of the default tax options match what your local tax authority requires. It is frustrating, and honestly, it can put you at risk for compliance errors if you just pick the closest thing. But do not worry. This is a common problem, and the fix is actually really straightforward once you know where to look. We will start from your dashboard, navigate to the Manual Tax Rates area, and then set up your new rate with all the right components. Let us go. So go ahead and log into your Xero account. Get yourself to that main dashboard where you see your bank accounts and your short links. Now look at the top menu bar. You will see a tab labeled Accounting. Go ahead and click on that. A drop-down menu will appear. You want to look for the option that says Accounting Settings. It's usually near the bottom of that list. Click that. This opens up a new page with a lot of options. Do not let it overwhelm you. What we are looking for is a section on the left-hand side called Tax Rates. Under that, you will see an option that says Manual Tax Rates. Click on that. This is the place. You are now in the command center for creating your own custom rates. In the top right corner, you will see a big green button that says New Tax Rate. Go ahead and give that a click. All right, here is where the real work starts. First up, you need to give your new tax rate a name. Be specific here. Do not just type in Tax A. Use something that you will instantly recognize later, like, say, Toronto Sales Tax 5% or Freelance Service VAT. This name is what will show up in your drop-down menus when you are creating invoices and bills, so make it count. Type that in now. And here is the really important part, adding the tax components. This is a step a lot of people miss, but it is the key to making this work. Think of a tax component as a building block. If your tax rate is just a single flat percentage, like a simple sales tax, you only need one component. But if your rate is made up of multiple parts, like a state tax plus a city tax that combine into one total rate, you will add one component for each. So click the Add Tax Component button. A few fields will pop up. For a simple single tax, you can leave the description as the name you already entered. But if you have multiple parts, name them clearly. For example, state component and city component. Now enter the percentage for this component. Let us say you are creating a 5% rate. You will type in the number 5. Repeat that process for any other components you need. Just click Add Tax Component again and fill in the percentage. Xero will automatically calculate the total combined rate for you at the bottom. It is a great way to double-check your math before you save it. So, now that we have got the name and the components set up, take a moment to review the tax rate details. Look at the total rate that Xero is showing. Does it match what you need? Does the name make sense? This is your chance to catch a typo or a math error before it affects your financial reports. Everything look good? Perfect. Now just click that green Save button in the top right corner. And that is it. You will be taken back to your list of manual tax rates, and you should see your new creation sitting there ready to go. The next time you create an invoice or a bill, you can select this custom rate from the dropdown, and you will know everything is correct. Now, you are not stuck with the default options anymore. You have got the control to set up your taxes exactly the way your business needs them, without the worry of compliance issues. Go ahead and give it a try with your first rate. You've got this.